Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can use Clearpay on Amazon. All you need to do is go into the search Clearpay and searching for Amazon. Press on Amazon and it's going to load the Amazon website. You can see a little grey box which is the buy now pay later, and it's going to automatically bring you into the Amazon app. Pick any product that you want. Let's say we want this one. Now if we scroll down and we find a specific one, let's say a Bontac TV, and then we'll scroll down. We can add in the buy now. Buy now. It's going to ask you to sign in. You can press in the buy now pay later as soon as you sign in. So as soon as you sign in, instead of the buy now, you'll have a little button underneath which will be the buy now pay later. You can press that and you can pay in 4 different sections. So you can pay one now, then pay one in every single month, which is basically like a pay split. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.